they go. Jehovah carry me they go. My husband house. Maburu Mugawa. I believe where Maburu Mugawa. My husband house. Nam Soburu Mugawa. Ikagulandi one Maburu Mugawa. Carry me they go. Elu wazula munamo Maburu they go. Carry me they go. I believe where carry me they go. My husband house. Iko wagulame. I say Maburu Mugawa. My husband house. Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go. My house. Asigo dundu wajume. Hamam nandeli gwakaya jumogero. Carry me they go. Nam lekwemu burum gawa.
Lady Good. Lady Good. Chineke me. Ekweni meshishi.
Nah.
Lady Good. Ichariala.
Oh. Enekweni ihe no no wa.
Chiri. Ihe na go na. Ihe national anthem dị na alubeji ka ogini.
Ihe bụ olulo ọhụrụ ihe asapụtawara ihe pụtala ya. Nwa agbọghọ bịa ụra na alụbe ha dị na-akpụ ha egwu anọ. Ya forget ihe ọla gbasa marriage.
Lady Good.
If you never marry and you never dey sing this song, anything wey concern marriage, forget.
Don't go there before me do anything. Don't go there. Chineke me. Lekwenu mo.
Ihe niile ka dị tantam.
Hey.
Anya bedu m anya.
Isi Chineke carry gị to where?
To my husband house.
Nwoke ga-alụkwanụ gị now. Ịma na ịba na menopause.
Lekwa onye ke.
Ọ ka mbịa shat ba ya.
Lekwa onye ke. Onye bara menopause. Mụ nwa ọbara gara ịgbagbu last week.
Chineke me. Ị chọrọ ịgwa m na ị ka na-ahụ nsọ gị.
Ọsụ nsọ m anụ m ahụ beyond my own so I dey even see my holy of holy.
Chineke me.
Ọbara gbara m last week. Enwere m ihe na-akpọ irregular menstrual cycle. Kema dukwa agba ihe ordinary every month ọbara na awụshi m na ahụ. Ihe nke m na-agba once in 5 months.
Chineke me.
Ya mgbe ahụ ịma na ọwụ ụmụazị 18 years ndị ahụ lọ ọhụrụ na them wey be say blood dey comot every month. We wey be say we don we don come up a little. Our blood no dey come as hey, oh my off. Our blood no dey flow like children own. Go to my house now, you go see where I keep bucket of blood. Obram kupru na ahụ la.
Chigi na ahụ pụta.
Obra agbaga moto.
Yo, egg ka na fertilize.
Ye nwere egg yolk. Egg yolk asụ wụsara m n'ime. Nwoke ọbụla chịrị aka ụgba apịrị aka na apịrị m. Pikpuo m na be ya otu a m siri ya n'egwu. Onye ya ga-adịrị iwe ndụ. Otu m na-ele gị anya ugbu a nwa okorobịa ọmarị ka gị. Give me mistake, sim Lady Good, let us tango.
Enwe mistake m mege biko gaba ahịa azụla gị. Enwe mistake m ga-eme lụọ gị.
What does that mean?
Ọbara ka kpọkọla by now.
Mike ka ọbara kpọkọ.
Echekwa m na ịchara gị were ha etecha n'ihu. Eche m asị onye chara by their fruit we shall know them.
I wouldn't orange. I am not an orange or apple. If you want to see their fruit and you know them, go to orange. When you see orange, you recognize orange. When you see apple, you recognize apple. Nyam will Lady Good. These days, repentance, are there, if you no, the more you repent, is the more you add beauty. How go come out all this is why they take package my. No, they say na makeup, and they take cover old age.
How?
Napoga makeup, No, don't go there. Young go even all this ultra pad where they say. You know they hold my blood. You mean? How pillowcase come get rotate for duvet.
The blood of
Jesus. That is what you should call me now. A woman of issue of blood. Because my blood no they run like children own. Last week now so I use a cup they pack blood they keep. Even if say they carry me go for hospital. Now so they go they donate blood to people where no get blood for body.
But
once in 5 months.
All of now don't enter church. Now same people now the same people will enter church now.
Now the same people will enter church. As we don't do life, the thing no grief. And there's no remedy to it. The only final bus stop now inside Christ.
Okay, back at Jesus now.
Would not be say husband dead here. Even if you enter there, sing them from now till tomorrow. He say, I will have mercy upon those who have mercy upon. God, now him they give husband. And not be say you sing them for song, now him go make you marry. Now the person where they inside of you, now him go make people attracted to you. As I am here now, as I come now, so boys, everybody just they look me. And they select. Hey, Mike.
I go like go this in our church. What's be the name now? Church in again.
Oh, Scarcity of Husband Ministry International.
I know me so again.
Scarcity of Husband Ministry International. Now there people they run any girl will never enter there. Will never marry, never enter that church. Forget about marriage. Because once you enter there, your song now go be carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go, my husband house.
I will come like I was like this. I like them fast.
Oh my God. Iko wagula me Jehovah mabrumu gawa my husband house. Brumu they go. Nna maburu mu. Even if say na keke indi make it take.
No wala ahụ na me ọ dimnishio return ka na agbo ya. Ịma otu isi agụ abụọ na gụrụ ya gafe biko asụ ga ahụ gawa. Gawa no.
Anyway,
Chirege chirege aka.
I know it is those who understand what God is all about. Not only God will save us. If you like, when it is your time to get married, stay there, they do shakara. Time of that video, get a record, you have a jacket carry. Chineka, one year keke, go to one year wheelbarrow. All I know is that Lady God, I have given my life to Christ. Even if I no marry here, in heaven I go marry. Now we go for a time. Over no wajum, Eli Wagayajum, Memesia. Daburu no wajum, Heli Wagayajum. What why you for some?
Need to go kill.
Why you coaching?
How about 100 euro? Maybe now have Jesus.
If you come out of town, every namamata, immediately I get married. Once I go into the room to push out my baby. Was one anetile push here. This leg will bend like this, it goes straight. On our rock on Amado. Every namamata sister loving a billion. Everything the Waka. Carry me, they go. Carry me, they go. My husband's house. Carry me, they go. And the people magi burumu kawa. Maburumu, they go.